Hi, hello, welcome all. Myself, Miss Nigar Kader Mujawar, M.Pharm in Pharmaceutics, Assistant Professor in Shri Balasaheb Mane, Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Ambabs, Women's College of Pharmacy, Pet Vadgaon, Kolhapur, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Loneri, Maharashtra. Now we will discuss about handling of prescription and errors in prescription. After that presentation, learner will be means learning outcome of these presentations are understand steps involved in handling of prescription, apply knowledge while checking and handling of prescription, evaluate the error and minimize the same. Content of the presentations are introduction, steps involved in handling of prescription, what to check in prescription, types of medication error, prevention of medication error, introduction of handling of prescription. What is mean by handling of prescription? Patient must be made to feel attained and comfortable. Remember that? Attained and comfortable by friendly gesture and ambience as soon as they come into the pharmacy. Communication should be open. Remember that communication should be open in such a way that it encourages the patient to convey his or her needs by producing a prescription or by asking for other products or advice. Next, what are the steps involved in the handling of prescription? 1. Receiving. 2. Reading and checking. 3. Collecting and weighing of material. 4. Compounding, labeling and packaging. After that, first we see what is meant by receiving. Pharmacist should himself receive the prescription. Remember that. Pharmacist himself receive the prescription. After receiving the prescription, a pharmacist should not change their facial expression. Means not show the more smile or less smile, because it may cause an impression on the patient that he is surprised or confused after seeing the prescription. After that, reading and checking. This is the second step of handling of prescription. On receiving a prescription, always check. Remember that. Always check. What check? Is that it is written in a proper format, that is on doctor's pad, and check the signature, name, address and date on the prescription. The patient may be politely requested to wait while the pharmacist review the prescription for therapeutic aspects, means related to the pharmaceutical and pharmacological, appropriate for an individual social, legal and economic aspects, and legality and completeness of prescription. The prescription should always be screened behind the counter. Remember that. Prescription should be always screened behind the counter. In case of any difficulty in reading or any doubt regarding prescription, the pharmacist should consult other pharmacist or prescriber, but not with the patient. Remember that. After that, what to check in a prescription? Doses, means whether the dosage prescribed within a standard minimum and maximum dose range. Dosage. After that, double medication, means double medication concurrently prescribed by the by the same doctor means prescriber or by two or more doctors to the same patients undergoing concurrent treatment by more than one doctor. Next, interaction means interaction between currently prescribed medicine, over the counter medicines being taken by the patient and the medicines being taken from any past prescription. Next, contraindication. In contraindication, asec disease conditions or other characteristics of patient that may cause certain prescribed medicines to be contraindicated according to this parameter. Next, history. In case of history of overuse, underuse or misuse of medicine by the patient. Check while checking a prescription. After that, third step, collecting and weighing the material. Before weighing, the required material for it should collected on left hand side of the balance. After weighing the material, it should be transferred to right hand side of the balance. This gives a check of ingredients which have been weighed. After that, there is a note, means remember that this thing, while compounding label of the stock bottle should be read at least 3 times to avoid any error. Means when taken from the shelf, when the contents are removed for weighing or measuring, when containers are returned back to its proper place. After that, next step, compounding and labeling and packaging. Before compounding should be clean all the equipments which are required for it, and compounding should be carried out in a neat place. All the ingredients should be compounded according to the direction of the prescriber or pharmaceutical art. Only one prescription should be compounded at one time. After compounding the final preparation, transfer into suitable container, and according to the size of the container, the white plain paper should be used for labeling. After that, stick the label on the container is polished to remove fingerprint. Remember that? Remove the fingerprint. While delivering the prescription to the patient, the pharmacist should explain the mode of administration, direction, and storage. Next, an error. What is meant by error? An error is something incorrectly. Remember that, something incorrectly done through ignorance or inadvertence, a mistake, or failure to complete a planned action as intended, or the use of an incorrect plan of action to achieve a given aim. For example, error in calculation, error in speech, error in judgment, error in writing, error in action, etc. What is meant by medication error? A medication error can be defined as failure in the treatment process. Remember that? Failure in treatment process or has the potential lead to harm to patient. After that, reasons of error in prescription. What are the reasons? As a placebo, prevent disease, make a diagnosis, test for the possibility of an adverse effect, modify a physiological, biochemical, or anatomical functions or abnormality, replace a missing factor, ameliorate a symptoms, treat a disease, induce anesthesia. These are the reasons of errors in prescription. After that, types of medication error. These are the types of medication error: due to prescribing, omission error, wrong time error, unauthorized error, improper dose error, wrong dosage form error, wrong drug error, wrong administration technique error, deteriorated drug error, monitor drug error, then compliance error, other medication error. First we see prescribing error. What is the definition of the prescribing error? Incorrect drug selection. Remember that. Incorrect drug selection based on indication, contraindication, known allergies, existing drug therapy, and other factors. Dose, dosage form, quantity, route, concentration, rate of administration, or instruction for use of a drug product ordered or authorized by physician. Next, omission error. Remember that. What is meant by omission error? The failure to administer an order dose to a patient before the next scheduled dose, if any. Next, wrong time error. What is meant by wrong time error? What is the definition behind the wrong time error? Administration of medication outside a predefined time interval from its scheduled administration time. Next, unauthorized drug error. What is meant by unauthorized drug error? Administration to the patient of medication not authorized by a legitimate prescriber for the patient. After that, the next error, improper dose error. Administration of the dose of a administration to the dose that is greater than or less than the amount ordered by the prescriber. Remember that. Administration to the of a dose that is greater than or less than the amount ordered by the prescriber. After that, wrong dosage form error. Administration to the patient of a drug product in a different dosage form than ordered by the prescriber. Next, wrong drug preparation error means drug product incorrectly formulated. Remember that drug product incorrectly formulated or manipulated before administration. Next, wrong drug administration technique error. In that there is an inappropriate procedure or improper technique in the administration of the drugs. Next, deteriorated drug error. In case of deteriorated drug error, administration of a drug that has expired or for which the physical or chemical dosage form integrity has been compromised. Next, monitoring error. In case of monitoring error, failure to review a prescribed regimen for appropriate and detection of problems or failure to use appropriate clinical or laboratory data for adequate assessment of patient response to prescribed therapy. Next, compliance error. In case of compliance error, inappropriate patient behavior regarding adherence to a prescribed medication regimen. Next, other medication error. Any medication error that does not fall into one of above predefined categories means other medication error. Next, how to prevent medication error. Understand how medication error happen and how we can avoid them is to consider their classification like contextual, modal or physiological. Contextual means what? Related to specific time, place, medicines and people involved. Modal, in modal classification related to examine the ways in which error occurred due to omission, repetition or substitution. In case of psychological classification is preferred as it explains events rather than merely describing them based on the work of reasons on errors in genre. Next, broad types of medication error. 1. Knowledge based error. 2. Rule based error. 3. Action based error. 4. Memory based error. Next, these are the types of error. Again, we are discussing in brief. Knowledge based error means what? Communication problems with senior staff and difficulty in assessing appropriate drug dosing information contributed to knowledge based prescription error. For example, giving penicillin without having established knowledge for whether the patient is allergic or not. Remember that? What is meant by knowledge based error? How we can prevent the knowledge based error? By computerized prescribing system, barcoded medication system, cross checking by pharmacists or nurses. Education is important for all this work. Next, rule based error. What is meant by rule? Using bad rule or misapplying a good rule. For example, injecting diclofenac into lateral thigh than to the buttock. How we can prevent rule based error? Use of proper rules. Education is important for that. Computerized prescribing system. Next, action based error, in which most of errors are due to slips in attention that occur during routine prescribing, dispensing, or drug administration. Remember that. Slips in attention. For example, pick up a bottle containing diazepam from the pharmacy shelf when intending to take one containing diltiazepam. How we can avoid? Avoiding distractions, labeling clearly, avoid misreading, barcoded medication system, cross-checking by pharmacists or nurses. Next, 4. Memory based. It is difficult to avoid, hard to avoid. They can be intercepted by, in which, for example, giving penicillin, knowing the patient to be allergic but forgetting. For that, we are using the computerized prescribing system or cross-checking system. Next, what are the assignment in this presentation? Always endless steps involved in handling of prescription. Explain handling of prescription. Explain what to check in prescription. Endless types of errors. Explain types of errors. Explain prevention of medication error. Next, quick quiz means always number of questions asked. These are the, we are just taking a brainstorming activity what we achieve in this presentation. This is the right sequence of handling of prescription. Options are receiving, reading and checking, collecting and weighing the material, and compounding, labeling and packaging. B. Compounding, labeling and packaging, receiving, reading and checking, collecting and weighing the material. C. Receiving, reading and checking, compounding, labeling and packaging, collecting and weighing the material. D. None of these. Remember, rememorize and be ready with your answer. We will discuss. OTC medicine means what? A. Over the counter. B. Over the count. C. Over the country. D. None of these. Third, how many steps involved in handling of prescription? A. 4. B. 2. C. 3. D. 5. 4. Prescription should be checked for A. Doses, double medication, interaction, contraindication and history. double medication, interaction, contraindication and history. C. Interaction, contraindication and history. D. History, interaction and contraindication. E. Same repeat. Next, how many broad types of medication error? A4, B2, C3, D5. 6. The failure to administer an ordered dose to a patient before the next scheduled dose. Identify the types of error. A. Omission error. B. Wrong time error. C. Improper error. D. Monitoring error. And the answers are, be ready with your answers. And the answers we will discuss. This is the right sequence of handling of prescription. The right sequence is receiving, reading and checking, collecting and weighing the material, and compounding, labeling and packaging. Next, OTC medicine means over the counter. Next, how many steps involved in handling of prescription? And the answer is 4. Prescription should be checked for, and the answer is the doses, double medication, interaction, contraindication and history. Next, how many broad types of medication error? And the answer is 4. The failure to administer an ordered dose to a patient before the next scheduled dose. Identify the type of error, and the answer is omission error. Okay. Then thank you. Thank you one and all. Best of luck.